Let's learn how to read.
Long I sound.
I.
Long I says I. Bite, 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 bite. Might, 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 might. Rice, 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 rice. Wise, 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 wise. Nice, 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 nice. Lice, 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 lice. Tile, 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 tile. Time, 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 time.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.